Calibration, Clarity Cal. Prepare the stool sample according to the Quitch guide. Use a pipette to extract 80 microliters of sample liquid. Drop it into the counting plate. Click Exit to eject platform. Then place it on the platform. Set interval steps to 5 and photo taking position to 100. Then click Start. Analyzer will perform calibration automatically. Check whether the clarity is higher than 90 or not. If so, please click Save, then take out the counting plate. If not, please click Save, then perform the calibration again until the clarity higher than 90.